And I know you've already bought the sleep lotion, but I wanted to show you how to get the most out of it. And I'll also be giving you some more tips and tricks on exactly how you can get the best night's sleep, because I think it's the most important part of your health. So today, just quickly, how it's best to use this stuff. So I think a little bit is enough for each leg. So let's go from there. You know, I know it says use on the arms and legs, but look, there's things we have to say for legal reasons, but personally I would only use it on the legs at night. If you are the anxious type and you need to calm down during the day, then on the upper arms is great, really good idea. Otherwise, I would stay clear of the upper body at night and just on the lower legs, unless you're getting restless legs, in which case I'll talk about that a bit later. But for now, a quick look at how to use this sleep lotion. So for want of a beautiful model, I'm afraid you've got me and my legs and my 60-year-old feet, and I was waiting for them to look good, but it's not going to happen. So just a little bit rubbed all over the tops of the feet. And what's really important is to get it on the Achilles at the back of the heel here. Now, when you first use it, you'll probably use a bit too much and it'll get sort of foamy, but that rubs in quite quickly. And it's really important to get it on the calf. And depending on, I think I'll go into knee problems and restless legs perhaps a bit later. Oh, you know what, while we're here, if you're getting any pain through here, this stuff basically called plantar fascia, this area through here. And a lot of people have pain with it. So if you use the Magnesium Pro on this area before you go to bed at night, follow it through onto the Achilles and you'll be just right.